Brian Tarian from the Disability Digest here to talk to you today about a commonly asked question about hiring a Social Security disability attorney. Why do it? Why not do it? I'm going to use this question that was posted 18 hours ago on our YouTube channel as an example. And it reads, and this is from Just Philip, why is finding a law firm that specializes in disability cases not your top recommendation? Individuals are easily discarded by the courts when an individual is not fully versed in disability law, and they cannot cite and also can have the court's employment specialist cite facts to a judge that an individual may not understand. My recommendation is to find a lawyer, a law firm that specializes in disability cases. I've filed several times without a lawyer and was unsuccessful. So there's actually some truth to this about if you don't understand the process, then it's very difficult to go through the application process and the denials and the appeals and go into court. So the reason why I don't do that is, from my understanding in doing this, is not what everybody wants, and it's not what everybody needs. And so what we do here at the Disability Digest is we teach people how to do it on their own if they want to do it, or if they don't, we have them at least understand the process and find somebody to do it for them. So I'm going to show you a few things here. One of the key things about not using an attorney is not everybody has to, and if they can get approved without one, they can save thousands in legal fees. And I'm going to put this link to our success stories below this video, and this just has some of the individuals that have saved the attorney fees by doing it on their own with the course that I'm going to show you here in a moment. So that's Casey, and then there's another one down here from Harold, and there's a variety that are smattered in here, so you can go in and look at it. But here's the key, a couple key things, is even if you hire an attorney, which many do, and you don't understand the approval process, how do you know what they're doing? How do you know if they're doing what they should be doing, right? So this is my message to everybody. One is, if you want to hire an attorney, that's certainly your choice. But you need to understand the process, because you could hire somebody, and especially when people hire somebody at the initial stages, there's certain steps that really need to be taken to maximize your chances for winning. Just taking your application and submitting it to Social Security, that really does nothing for you. You can do that as well. So here's what we have done here and how people are getting these results. People join us as a member. There's no charge to your membership. We're supported by ads and services that fund our work. It allows us to get on the phone with individuals and help them understand the process if they have a shot at qualifying. And then we assign our Social Security Disability Approval course. Now, this course will give you total control over the process, whether you want to do it on your own or with somebody else. It has steps put together by individuals in the industry that are well respected, attorneys, ex-Social Security caseworkers, and there's some key things that everybody needs to know about their disability approval process, in my opinion. One is you need to understand what to say, how to communicate that you're disabled. Only you know that. Only you know your conditions. Only you know what you can do and what you cannot do on a daily basis. It's not something that somebody can make up or think up for you. So we teach you like the 4 steps to get started in our disability approval course. It teaches you what to say, how to submit your initial application. Some of the other key things that individuals learn that make a difference is doctor's support. How to get your doctor's support excuse me, in writing, and what to do if you cannot get it. How to get other support from friends, coworkers, and all of that. This process is evidence-based. So, okay, let's say that you go hire an attorney and you don't know any of this. You don't know what they're saying to Social Security, and you haven't communicated it properly to them so they can communicate it to Social Security. They haven't done anything about requesting your medical records and reviewing them and understanding why you're disabled so they can communicate to Social Security. These are all things that you learn in the process that we have here. So for me, for us, Doesn't matter which way you want to do it, you just have to do it right so that you can get approved. So that is my response to hiring an attorney. Now, at the initial phase, you can do this on your own if you want, for sure. Um, and all the way through, if reconsideration is an appeal that's level that's in your state, you could do that too. But if you're going to try to go to court on your own, that's really where there's a pretty solid argument that you're dealing with a judge. Many judges will ask you to, strongly consider postponing until you have representation. So that's my take on the process. I hope you found this helpful here at the Disability Digest. We do this to help people get approved, but also for those that are already approved, we give you the whole process about how to find out what you're entitled to, what you should be paying for, what you should not be paying for, all of this so you can maximize your benefits and keep your benefits. And much of it is on this channel, but it's more specific when you join us as a member because it's a custom approach based on age, condition, income, all of those things. So hope you find this helpful. If you're a member, encourage you to reach out to us if we can help you in any way. If you're not a member, we certainly encourage you to join us. There'll be a link below the video. You can click on, come on over and check it out and join us as a member. We look forward to helping you get, keep, or maximize your benefits. Make it a great day.